Hello, hello. Welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that this guy seems to step on. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a lightning response for your Fiverr account. This, of course, is very important because we could be out and about, we could be at home, in bed, we could be watching TV, we could be doing a variety of different things. And when someone messages us on Fiverr, someone asks a question, someone has an issue, a variety of different things that happen and that come through our messages or orders on Fiverr, we have what's called lightning responses available to us, which we can create these responses on Fiverr. That Fiverr offers us the template to do it, and we can create these things and then literally hit a button and it repopulates that in the chat, and it's very simple, and it makes our response times faster, more consistent, and allows us to remember what to put down, as we're going through our journey on Fiverr. All right, so let's go ahead and flip over here, pop down. All right, so here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. So here I've got just a conversation from a client, and I've tried to block everything out so that, to save their identity, because it's not about them, it's about the lightning response. So basically what you do is you can come down here to this little lightning bolt, okay? And this is just in the messages section, all right? On any of your messages or anything that you have, you come to your lightning bolt, okay? And you click on this. Now, I just want to point out real quick that you can do any of, it can be here under messages, it can be under your, if a job has been ordered, anywhere where there's a message, you can click this lightning button, all right, create new response, okay? So basically what you want to do is you want to click this lightning button, create new response, all right? And basically this is Windows going to come up. Okay, you can do a couple of things. You can name your quick response, right? Which we're going to name it, test one. Okay, but I would name it something like, for example, thank you for your order. Do you know what I mean? When someone orders something from you, okay, you can say thank you for your order. Maybe if someone sent you a message saying, hey, I've got a script, how much would this cost? Right? You could say, something like, thank you for your message. I'll take a look and get right back to you, right? At least something to make sure that you get a response to them. They know you're there. Also that you can make sure that the algorithm works in your favor because you're not taking more than an hour to respond, but it also gives you time to look up word counts, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm just going to put test one as the title for this one. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say something like, first off, I want to say, it says type username to automatically insert the recipient's username. For example, hi username. So I'm going to say something like hi, and then I'm going to go ahead and just copy this, okay, and then I'm going to paste it there. And then I'm going to say hi username. I'm going to put a comma, okay, and I'm going to say something like thank you for sending me a message. I will take a look at this and get right back to you. Okay, so I put that out there. Now I want to point out that these responses can be a variety of things, and then I'm going to show you some of my responses. But the point is that, you can write down a response for anything. I also have responses for deliveries, like when I go deliver a product, or when I get an order. Like when I receive an order, I say, thank you, your order has been received. You can expect to get this in, 24 to 72 hours. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you, Anthony, right? That's like a response that I use for everything. Also, when I deliver my orders, I use a response, a lightning response saying, here's your, here's your delivery. I've attached a high quality WAV file. If you have a moment, please leave a review and favorite my gig. And, if you need anything else, just let me know. Thank you again, Anthony, right? Like I leave those I have those lightning responses that I put down the same every time. Okay, so here, all I do is hit save. Okay, all right. Now, if I go to the lightning response, all right, and, excuse me, I can, type in, let's see, let's go, lightning response. Here we go. So, we did the test 1. So if I click on this, all right, it look at that. It populated that in there. It said, hi, all right, the username. Thank you for sending me a message. I will take a look at this and get right back to you. Then it populates that right away. I don't know why this thing keeps popping up. Check your passwords. So anywho, that's how you create a lightning response. Now, some of the lightning responses that I have is, I'm not able to do this. Okay, thank you, order received, order delivered. You did not buy enough. Sometimes people order and they don't buy as much as you need. Request a script for quote. Process for production, audiobook editing, revision submission. When I submit a revision, I have a lightning response for that. Returning delivery, need requirements, order delivered, starting work, commercial and broadcast rights. How can I help? All right, these are some things that I use on a regular basis. You can make any ones that you want that help you with your business. But what I like to do is make sure I remember that, these are also expectations that you're setting. So make sure, you know what I mean? Like, if you need to make sure you're reminding them about commercial and broadcast rights, reminding them about the delivery date, reminding them about et cetera, or just, following up when they order, halfway through the order, and when you deliver, et cetera, all these different things you can create quick responses on. This is a great little tool that Fiverr offers. And if you're not using it, I suggest you use it because I use it constantly. There isn't one single day that goes by that I don't use these lightning responses. All right, you guys, thank you so much. If you get a moment, please like, subscribe. Also, check out some of the new courses we have on VOsJourney.com for growing your business. For example, we just uploaded a brand new course, Studio One for your DAW for beginners. It's really fantastic. Check that out, as well as a LinkedIn marketing course. So go to VOsJourney.com. There'll be some links below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.